The overall goal of this procedure is to install a surface renewal system to measure and process field-scale energy flux density data. This is accomplished by first installing the tower, data logger enclosure, and solar panel in the field. The second step is to fix the sensors to the tower. Next, the sensor wires are connected to the data logger. The final step is to interface to the data logger with a laptop, upload the program to the data logger, and check that the data logger is receiving signals from the sensors. Ultimately, surface renewal is used to measure the evapotranspiration of an ecosystem, providing information that is useful to growers for making irrigation decisions in a variety of agricultural ecosystems.
Although the method provides insight as far as agricultural and urban water use, it also has applications as far as natural ecosystems, for example, in forestry and in wetlands.
The implications of this technique extend towards irrigation management because evapotranspiration is the major cause of water loss from crop production systems.
Generally, individuals that are new to this method will struggle because they do not know how to install the equipment or verify it is working properly.
We first had the idea for this method when observations of turbulence data led us to adapt the surface renewal concept from chemical engineering to atmospheric science.
This procedure will be demonstrated by our team members, Rick Snyder and Chalta Pau, and postdocs Arturo Calderon and Tom Shapland.
Begin this experiment by establishing the location of the field station and evaluating the